Hey Airsofters, Tactical on here. So some of the guys in the local community had a great idea to do a pilot down scenario once again, but this time he wanted to use his truck as the Blackhawk, you know, to simulate as the Blackhawk. So in this gameplay video, my team and I are tasked with rescuing the pilot from the terrorists as we play as NATO, and our mission to rescue him and to extract him to an extraction point. Now, at the beginning, you're going to see a textbook example of how to get ambushed.
Contact! Up, hit! Hit it!
As you can see, my team got ambushed and we got completely wiped out, so we decided to regroup at a respawn point and reinitiate the attack for rescuing the pilot.
Push left.
Hit.
Somebody get Christian. Fucking mags. One down left. Red team, you better keep advancing. One in the bush by the white stuff. Fucking mags, man. There we go. I got one guy in the bush, all by surrounded by the white shit. You see it? I got another one, my front, 12, right behind the dead guy, in the mountain front. Start spreading out, let's keep pushing. Let's get the pilot, start pushing. You got a gun? Huh? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Oh, you got medicam?
Yeah. 4 or 5 seconds left.
Alright, we'll keep pushing up. Red team, let's push up. Get a perimeter around the pilot, let's go.
Get that walking.
Shit, contact!
I see him right under that berm.
Yep. You guys see him? Tyler's fucking Aaron, you guys see him?
No, Mikey's in the bush with my flag.
All right. Oh, I got sent my back. I got right in front. I got contact, shoot her right. In the bush, he's proning. You got him, you got him. Keep advancing on the left flank, let's keep the momentum. How many do you see, Aaron?
What?
How many did you see? I got right in front. Ryan's falling back left. He's shifting left. Go.
Are you on the left? Look up.
Hey, I got guys hiding in the bushes right across the sand, left side of the truck. They're ambushing. They're ready to ambush.
It's up.
What's up?
Hey, it looks like they got an echelon coming our way.
Yeah.
Left.
We gotta push this through now before we get fucking maneuvered out.
Hey,
Outmaneuvered.
You want that left to collapse with us?
What's that?
To the right. You want that left collapsing into us?
Yeah.
Move to the right.
Let's move to the right. Better. Did you get them?
Yeah. Hey.
Hey, we gotta keep pushing right.
Left, right. Left, right.
Let's push to the right. More cover. Let's go.
Yeah.
Contact front. Starting.
Hey.
Up. You guys up? Fall back, shift right. Let's go.
Hey, you two. Across the road. Right and left. Go. 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 Go.
Contact right. Contact right. I don't know. I need more guys to the right. What the fuck happened to the team?
Move right. Move right.
Come on. I want to get Christian and fucking John, right? Josh, I mean. Five, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Push up! Get across the road! Let's go! Fuck. Get Josh! Get Josh! Christian, you keep covering. I'll grab Josh. Aaron, push right. Christian, then you're close my front. Five, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Fall back. Fuck. Josh, I'm going for him. Oh shit, it's Josh, tires. Fuck. 27, 28, 29, 30. Regroup our guys on the right. We'll get the rest of the guys here. Okay, let's go. Walk. Yeah. 1, 2, Ready? So to get across the road, regroup with the guys on the right.
Okay.
Get across the road, regroup with the guys on the right. Let's go.
Vamos.
Friendlies.
Right. Go. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go. Watch my front, I'm watching left. Slowly, slowly. Push left. That's friendly, friendly. Is that friendly?
Yeah.
Is that Tyler? Tyler! All right! Good job, Tyler, keep it up! All right, trucks this way. We need to shift this way. What do you see, Tyler? I see a movie, I see a movie. He's reviving, he's reviving. Go! Line them up! Got two guys shifting our left! Watch out, our left, our left! He's pushing right, he's pushing right! Ah! Oh, oh fuck. Ah.
Hey, watch up the hill. 25 meters. 25 meters there.
Push left, push left! Rise at the truck, rise at the truck! Loading!
Hey, what's your left?
Watch the left for me. I got blood in my cry! Lineman! Game on! Oh! Oh! Where is he?
12 o'clock, about 100 feet out.
Got it! Oh! Damn it, Bobby!
Damn it, Bobby.
I got one down your front!
Damn it, Bobby.
Is that friendly?
Propane and propane accessories.
Oh. I want to sell you a Shark King. Whoa. You're not a pilot, get out of here.
Yeah, damn.
Oh shit. Spread out, spread out. Oh, hit.
Got you, Tom. I'm waiting all fucking day.
Hey, get Tom.
Blue medic. My battery died.
Here, right here.
Good job, buddy. Hey, you guys are doing good.
I appreciate it, man. You guys doing great too, man.
Thanks, babe.
There's a pilot out there? Oh, you fucking kidding me? I had the courtesy of being close to the crossroads. Go back! Secure the crash site! Secure the fucking helicopter! Go!
Right when I see my gun jam.
Good job, guys. Good job. Secure the helo!
Oh shit, dead rag. I need a rape kit.
What did they do to you? What did they do to you?
What they do to the goats.
Show us on this doll what they did to you.
You bastard! No!
You have a cook doll.
Hey, Geneva Convention, man, you're supposed to take me hostage now. Supposed to take me back, I get a fair trial.
Dirty bastard.
I'm just gonna waterboard you, that's all. Let's go! Let's get to the chopper, let's go!
Get to the chopper!
Get to the chopper!
Do it now! We're gonna walk in this shit over here.
Yeah? Just get it to the chopper, that's all we gotta do!
Let's chop it.
Push up! Push up! Let's go, pilot, let's go!
Get that pilot up here!
Our team was able to successfully bring the pilot right back to the extraction helicopter, which got us out of there, and that meant we won that fight. It was a hard fight, as you can tell. I was kind of exhausted from it, and I was a little out of shape at the time. I've been doing a lot of PT of my own. Anyways, you guys, I hope you really enjoyed. It was a lot of fun to play, and I hope we do that scenario again real soon. This is Tactical Donut, Comic Smoke.